yes and no in Gaelic.
So, if you've been learning Gaelic for a while, you'll begin to realise that there's no simple way to say yes or no, like in other European languages. So, in Celtic languages, we use the verb, and Gaelic's a VSO language. You'll always find the verb before the subject, and then the object in a sentence. And you use that verb to help you create yes and no. About your Gary cup of tea? Ha! Chanel. And Tolive coffee? It's Tal. Chatal. And you bunage claw a ha arif? She. Chanye. And Jack Chivrief a Faris? Chai. Chadiach. And Rosh of a gubber and Jew? Va. Charo. Bishu a gubber a maroch? B. Chavi. And Batolive coffee ele? Batul. Chabatul.